Happy holidays. I'm Amy Goodson, registered dietitian, and today I'm at National Cattlemen's Beef Association Culinary Center, funded by the Beef Checkoff, to talk all things holidays. We know that this year, so many families will be having smaller gatherings no matter where they are in the country. But the good news is that you can still have a spectacular home-cooked beef meal to celebrate the holidays. So I am recommending a bone-in prime rib roast. This really is delicious. It makes you think of the holidays, and one of the best parts is that you can relax while it is baking in the oven. So that is a win-win for the chef in the house. And so many people wonder, what type of roast should I make? What type or cut of beef should I have? So I have a beautiful bone-in prime rib roast, but really almost any beef roast will work as a special addition to the holiday meal. You can get the prime rib both bone-in or boneless. Both taste great. The bone-in is a little more traditional. It's got that amazing rich flavor, and let's face it, it makes for a really photo-worthy presentation. So if you're wondering what to cook this holiday season, visit beefitswhatsfordinner.com. They have all kinds of roast recipes, as well as some tips to help ensure that your holiday meal is flawless. And then I like to say, what is a meal without a red wine pairing to really take it to the next level? So I'm recommending a robust Cabernet with your beef. So today I have the Lewis M. Martini Sonoma County Cabernet. So this is going to pair perfectly with your beef meal, and it can even help your leftovers feel extra special the next day. And what's great is that Beef It's What's for Dinner and Lewis M. Martini have partnered to offer a $15 rebate. So all you need to do is buy 2 bottles of the Lewis M. Martini wine with a prime rib roast at your local grocery store in states where legal. And if you find yourself the next day wondering, what am I going to do with my leftovers? The beauty is you can use those to make some delicious meals, really from breakfast all the way to dinner. So for breakfast, I am recommending this beef and spinach breakfast sandwich. You can use your remaining vegetables and spinach, scramble it into the eggs. You're going to see we have a layer of cheese and then that prime rib right on top. And for lunch or dinner, this 4 Seasons beef and Brussels sprouts chopped salad is a win. It's got apples and cranberries, little gorgonzola cheese, and then that prime rib right on top. So these are some simple recipes that can ensure that you use your leftover prime rib without the hassle of being in the kitchen all day. So if you would like to find more information about these recipes and others, visit beefitswhatsfordinner.com and visit the holiday page, and you'll also find some amazing holiday entertaining tips and ideas. So be sure to visit and enjoy this holiday season.